Welcome, my name is Edward Batista. I am an estate litigator, estate planner, general civil litigator. I deal in financial elder abuse. I deal with real estate transactions and boundary disputes, including easements, and I do lots of wills, trusts, trust administration, and probate. The topic today is top attorneys and how to find them. The idea being that if you know how to shop for an attorney, you actually can get what you want rather than just relying on dumb luck and ultimately ending up with a bad fit. So the first thing I want to say is you want to get an attorney who cares. Like everything else in life, if you care, if you're emotionally invested, good things happen. You're smarter, you're more resourceful, and you get things done. So that's number one. The next general idea is to be aware of what types of attorneys there are. So there's criminal and civil. That's the big division. Criminal is everything involving jail, bail, the district attorney, like that. And then everything else is civil. And within civil, you have various specialties. Probate law, estate law, real estate law, corporate law, that type of thing. You want to make sure you have an attorney that specializes in what you need, because nobody is a general practitioner. So I advise you go to Google, you throw a few search terms in there to get familiar with the jargon so you know what kind of attorney you're looking for, and then you can better direct your search. The next idea is whether to go with a small firm or a big firm. Even though your situation seems monumental to you, in law, it's a medium to small size problem most of the time. And for that, a small firm is probably going to be your best bet. They know the local rules, they know the court, they know the local customs, other attorneys, and you're going to get a better result. I think there's a tendency to get more one-on-one interaction with the lawyer who's actually going to be litigating your case if it's a smaller law firm. Be sure and watch out for hype. You don't want to be given an overly optimistic view of your case. It's going to do you no good, and ultimately you were given that prognosis to do business with that particular attorney. The hallmark of a good attorney is integrity when it comes to calling the ball as they see it. Next, I want to talk about lawyers and lawyer stereotypes as it applies to what makes a good attorney. So consider that there are certain lawyer stereotypes, and consider that we watch TV and we see these stereotypes. Now, the great irony is that the people who find that stereotype attractive are typically the ones, predominantly, who end up going to law school. So when they get out of law school, they fit the lawyer stereotype, but the fact is they fit that stereotype before they went to law school. Just know that not every lawyer is that way. There are plenty that break the rules as far as how the average attorney is perceived. So be on the lookout for that too. I think you can find somebody of your particular personality style, and that's going to be a much better fit for you. Also, not being part of the stereotype is more effective. A lot of attorneys, because of the rigors of law school, end up being overly rule conscious, hyper rigid, and they're missing the forest for the trees. That is a disaster of an approach, and it is so common, it's practically epidemic. Judges have a tremendous workload, and the only way they can manage their caseload is by developing good instincts and a good sense of the case. And the way they do that is basic ideas of fairness: who's the aggressor, who's the victim, what's going on here, who acted reasonably, who didn't. Those things are humanistic ideas that are in fairness and in equity. I hope you have found this informative. I hope you now have the tools to find the best attorney for you. If you have any questions, check out my website, ebblawfirm.com. I have a glossary of terms, a bit about me, my practice, my philosophy, and some useful links. Once again, ebblawfirm.com. Thank you for watching, and good luck.